Hey everybody, Alan down at Top Tech again today. We are in the process of bringing our technicians in for some furnace tune-up training, mainly just a refresher course for everybody, make sure everybody's up to speed on our tune-up process, especially for any changes we might have made in the last year. Just a good opportunity to brush up on the skills and ask questions. You can see behind me some of our technicians are here working on our furnaces in the lab, working through our tune-up process. One of the things that we really want to provide for you as our customer is a consistent tune-up experience. So no matter who your technician is, even though some of you have your favorites and that's awesome, sometimes we can't get your favorite tech out, but we want you to rest assured that no matter who comes out to do your tune-up, you're going to get a consistent tune-up from us, consistent process and performance. We're going to check all the same things, do all the same things to provide that consistent 5-star service. You've probably heard the technicians talk to you about providing a 5-star experience and even ask you for a 5-star review at the end. If we don't give you 5-star service, we can't ask you for that 5-star review, and a consistent tune-up on your regular visits is part of that. So we're here today. We have some former Top Tech students, we have some other technicians. Many of the technicians in our department are rolling through here in the next couple weeks. We also have a fresh group of Top Tech students coming in at the end of the month, and the lab is going to be busy from that point on, getting them ready to come out and perform service in your home as well. So just wanted to give you a chance to see what's going on and see what we do as part of our tune-up so you know what to expect.